And that's the visual of Saif's vehicle entering into the premises. Remember, likely his statement may also be recorded. Kareena and one of the house help who have filed a complaint as well, their statements have already been recorded by the police. That's the visual. All right, that's the visual of Saif Ali Khan walking for the first time. We see the actor moving back into the residence, walking fairly well, but recovering from the surgery that has happened. 5 days of unfolding of what exactly went through at his apartment. We believe that the children and his wife Kareena are possibly not here at this point. But knowing Saif, of course, he'll be cooperating with the police personnel. He will want to ensure that the cops also manage to reach to the bottom of this. But you can see how clearly there's a heightened security deployment. Dressed in a casual, crisp white shirt and a pair of jeans, Saif Ali Khan returns to the home where he had to leave post-midnight, profusely bleeding, had to take an auto rickshaw to be able to reach the hospital. There were, of course, top surgeons ready to operate on him, managing to take out a piece of a knife from his body. He will be there, we are told, at least for the next few hours, if not days. And I'll try to go across to my colleague Omkar Wable in just a short while. That's the first visual on your screen. Saif Ali Khan returns home after 5 days. January 16th, when that incident had taken place at 2 a.m., we've all seen the visuals of the intruder entering and escaping from the fire escape. January 21st afternoon, he heads back home. And how? Omkar Wable is joining me right now. Omkar, so that's the visual on our screen. He's interestingly returned to the same apartment. Would you say that this has something to do with the investigation purpose as well, briefly? Omkar,
exactly.
Go ahead.
Exactly. Look, Saif Ali Khan returned to the same apartment where this incident took place and the accused stabbed him at 15th midnight. In the visuals, we can see he just entered 2 minutes ago, and the security also increased in the premises and the whole society. His family members were there to receive him, and before 30 minutes, even Karishma Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor reached at the same residence, and after that, just Saif Ali Khan entered in a white shirt. He entered in his old apartment, Satguru Sharan Society, where he was stabbed by the accused at the 15th midnight. So it is confirmed that Saif Ali Khan is inside the house. Police are here. Security has already been increased, and extra forces of the Bandra police also deployed here, because if you can see, many fans of Saif Ali Khan are gathering, and that is why the police are taking precaution that there should not be any law and order issue. Pooja.
Omkar, can you also help us understand if Kareena and the children are here or they have been at another apartment?
Look, Kareena was here 30 minutes ago. She
Okay.
reached in her own car, but we're not sure about the children because
Yes.
because there's no official confirmation about the family members.
So, Omkar, also tell us how the sentiment was around at the residence. Did you see other well-wishers as well? People curious to catch a glimpse after the shock that everyone faced when realizing that Saif Ali Khan was stabbed inside his residence. So do you see people around you in Mumbai curious, wanting to know if he's back home, what happened, how is he looking like now?
Yeah, exactly. Look, people and Saif fan are already gathered since afternoon. They all were here. They were waiting for Saif Ali Khan to see him
Yes.
after his treatment. But police forces deployed, and later on they all had to take distance from the actual residence. Just reporters and some media personnel are allowed in the premises. Others are staying away from the society.